Hello my friends, welcome back to the Sasuke channel. What do we have here for you today? Well, this is the Mavic Air car charger. I have a couple of batteries here from Mavic Air for the Mavic Air, and they are completely discharged. Let's check it out. They are discharged. They have around 10-15%, around 10% charging. And then we're gonna test this baby, see how it works. So we're gonna plug it into the cigarette lighter there, as you can see, and supposedly you can actually charge 2 batteries. So see how long it takes. We're gonna go home right now from the baseball practice, my kids' baseball practice. Hello Pepe, say hello. Say hello. Hello. He doesn't want to be safe, recorded, but that's okay. He's tired anyway. So let's plug it in there and see if actually okay. Now also it has a USB charger here, so you can charge your remote control. And then here are the plugs for the battery. So let's open one battery. Yeah, this is the box. Just a simple box. The manufacturer seems like it's YX. Okay, carry charger for Mavic Air, right? And these are the ROS compliance, input 12 to 16 volts, so it goes to the charger here. So let's see if I can actually open one of these babies. It's kind of difficult to open it with one hand. Okay, it's open. So let's see, let's hold it in my hand. Okay, that's the plug here. So let's see now. So let's charge this baby here like that. Let's see if I can connect it properly. There you go. Okay. There you go. So it seems it's charging. Yes sir, it's charging. So here is 2 o'clock. According to the watch, it's 2 o'clock. So when we get home, we'll record the time and see how much it got charged. Now we're gonna charge the other battery as well. So I've got my boy helping me out at least. So we're gonna connect the battery here like that. Oh, there you go. It's charging now. So I have both batteries charging. Okay. So we're just gonna leave the batteries there. 2 o'clock. And then we're gonna drive, and at the end we'll take the time. All right guys, okay my friends, so I just got home. It's 2:30, and see how those batteries doing. Okay, this guy is charging the 66% of the battery is charged. Okay, in 30 minutes, so I still have a little bit to go. And this one, I noticed it was disconnected in the trip, so as you can see it was charged less. So but at least it got charged around 50%, 40 to 50%. So alright, so it's not a bad thing to have in your car if you fly your drone, so you can have your batteries charged. As I said at the beginning, you can charge 2 batteries at the same time, and then you can charge your remote in here. Alright, so you can take your batteries with you, your Mavic, and go places, and while you go to that place, just charge the batteries. Alright, seems like it's a good thing to have. Oh, actually, it's for the price it cost me around 10 euros, 11 euros. It's pretty cheap. So you know, you have a charger in your car. Alright, so I would say I would recommend it if you fly drones a lot. Okay, see you later guys, enjoy.